Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can hide this Cortana icon from our taskbar. So that's been said, let's get started. To hide your Cortana icon, just right click on your taskbar and here you will get Cortana option. Under this Cortana option, you get three options. So you can show Cortana icon only or you can show Cortana as a search box. But we want to hide Cortana icon from our taskbar. For that, just simply right click on the taskbar, then go to Cortana and here you will find hidden option. Just select this hidden option. Now here you can see from the taskbar, Cortana icon has been removed. So this way you can hide Cortana icon. Now if you want to bring back the Cortana icon on your taskbar, simply just right click on taskbar, then go to Cortana option. From this two option, you can select either one. So this was a small video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So that's it for this video. Bye for now. See you next video.